Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel. Today what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and remove the sticker off my car, or the STX badge, which you can call on the back of the truck. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm talking about this right here, this STX 4x4 sticker. It just doesn't flow with the car at all. As you can see, the whole truck is black, and then we have a red sticker right there. So I kind of want a clean look. So I want to go ahead and remove that sticker. It's actually pretty easy. Now there's two ways you can do this. Number one, if you live in a cold climate, you can go ahead and use a heat gun and just go ahead and take that off. Or what you can do is, if you live in Florida like me, it's pretty hot outside, so I'll be able to peel this off just fine because it's hot, it's already heated up. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you before what it looks like right now, and then we're gonna show you what it looks like after. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and move this truck somewhere so I can see this actually pretty well when I go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so let's go ahead and start this up. And bam. Go ahead and turn this off. That is so annoying. I have no idea why Ford did that. It's the auto stop feature. Basically what it does, it turns the car off when you're not using it, which is dumb because your car has to turn on and off and on and off. It's gonna wreck your starter. It's supposed to save fuel economy and give you better gas mileage, but in return you're gonna have to get a new starter soon because your car has to turn on and off like 60 times every time you drive. That's stupid. So let's go ahead and move this truck somewhere where we can get a good view of taking off the sticker. So I'm actually gonna move right over there in that corner, so we'll have a pretty good view how it looks. Perfect spot right over here. All right. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and do this. So there it is. You can actually just start by this piece right here. I do not have long fingernails, or actually fingernails at all. It's kind of hard to get that first piece. But look, as you can see, it comes out pretty easily if you live in a warm climate. If you live in the cold, it's probably not going to come off. And this 4x4 is part of the sticker, it's not a separate sticker. So as you can see, it's gonna come off like that. So here it is. There we go. That's a way better look. It actually makes the truck look a little longer, I think. Look at that. Just gives it a cleaner look, I feel like. Simple mod. Actually one of the easiest, cheap, free mods that you can do. Just give it a clean look. Also, if you have EcoBoost badges here, you can also take those off. Mine's a 5.0, so I wouldn't have this, but the EcoBoost, they would have something right here where it says EcoBoost or EcoBeast or any kind of badge there. You can go ahead and take that off. I see a lot of people do that. So let's go from way back here, and looks good, looks good. And as you guys saw in the last video, we did the tailgate handle. That looks good. All right, let's go ahead and get this side now. So here's the second side. This one got like the residue from the stickies, from the glue. You can actually see it. like an outline of it. I'm gonna have to clean that off with some rubbing alcohol, because that looks weird. And bam. Here it is. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. Well, you can't really tell on camera, but right here you can. So I'm gonna have to get some rubbing alcohol for that. But there it is. Perfect stuff. Easy cheap mod that you can do. Also, we did a cheap mod, free mod, not cheap, free mod. We took that wind deflector off that was like hanging down. So now it's just this part right here. That's a free mod that you can do. So those two free mods right there makes the truck look, hey, it looks a lot, you know, nicer. I feel like there's no like tacky stickers on the car or on the truck. Just makes it look a lot cleaner, in my opinion. So perfect. Alright, so there you guys go. That was a free mod that you can do if you want to do something to your truck but you don't have to pay for anything. If you want to make it look a lot cleaner. So I think it looks great. Makes the truck look a little bit longer on the bed part. So leave a comment, leave a like what you guys thought, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.